Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover data type. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover data types. Numeric data types available are integer, float, and complex, which contains real and imaginary part, and string data type, which can store character or string. In the next program, I am going to cover data type conversion. We can convert to integer, using int function. Convert to float, using float function. Convert to complex, using complex function with parameter as real and optional imaginary part. Convert to string, using string function. Character to integer, using OR function. Integer to character, using chr function. Integer to hexadecimal, using hex function. Integer to octal, using oct function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.